on Amphisbaenian, a group of blind, mostly limbless, head-first burrowing lizard with actually 4 head morphotypes, round, keel, shovel, and spade, and different burrowing behavior and strategies. And to understand how it actually worked, bring together 4 complementary research groups. From biomechanics, mechanical testing, computational modeling, ecology, development, and burrowing performance in vivo, evolutionary morphology and functional anatomy, to tissue chemistry and biomaterials at nano and micro scale. And actually, me as a part of my other lab, I'm working on cranial morphology. And thanks to the Scientists for Scientists program, we were able to expand my contribution to this project and include representatives of all the 6 family and all 20 genera, providing much more comprehensive evolutionary framework. And currently, datasets include more than 100 CT scans of 34 species, and each skull has been segmented into individual cranial bones and anatomical regions, allowing us to quantify volumes and thickness, and actually also landmark each cranial bone individually, both externally and internally. This gives us the opportunity to capture much more detailed morphological variation. And actually now I'll try briefly explain why analyzing individual bone is so powerful. So here we can see the PCA based on landmark from the entire skull, and as expected, the main pattern reflects phylogeny. However, this tells us very little about head morphotypes that are directly linked to the burrowing behavior. And now compare this with this PCA, where the same data set were analyzed based only on landmarks from the single bone, from the frontal. Here, the pattern changed completely. Specimens separate clearly according to head morphotype. So this is exactly why analyzing individual bones is so important. And instead of treating the skull as a single structure, we can identify which cranial elements are actually driving the evolution of different burrowing morphotypes. And actually, it's also linked to the rest of groups of the project. And so if you're interested in this topic, if you have any question, please join me during the poster session on the poster 29. Thank you.
Thank you very much.